This is the Braveyard. Discover your courage. Welcome your bravery. May the flowers remind us why the rain was so necessary. Sometimes you find yourself under a downpour that seems never to end. Every path that was previously easily traveled becomes a torrent and flood to cross with caution. Every sun-kissed situation becomes dark and gloomy. Don't give up on your path because it presents difficulties you had not foreseen. Each of them adds value to the choice to continue on that path. And when you finally see the flowers that begin to bloom, then you realize how precious the courage you showed in the rain was.